welcome back to my channel. For anyone new here, my name is Alana and today's video is sponsored by Lilysilk. And guys, I am so excited to be recording this video because I've had these precious little packages sit in my room all neatly and I patiently waited to open them until I recorded this video. I'm just so excited to open these, especially the little ones. I don't know what it is, but little packages just really get to me. First of all, this is literally the perfect place to order a gift for someone because this packaging that you can get your gifts wrapped in is just so cute. Absolutely love it. It just looks so premium and so gorgeous. I cannot wait to see what's inside this. I am such a sucker for silk. I absolutely love anything silk. It was probably about a year ago now I started using silk pillowcases, and honestly it has been a game changer because first of all, not only is silk pillowcases really good for your hair, and you guys know how much I love hair care, it reduces breakage of your hair, but it also helps with wrinkles. And guys, I ain't getting any younger. I turned 30 this year, so anything that can help prevent the wrinklage, I am totally there for. Silk is also really good for allergies, which I didn't actually know until I received these products and I started reading into like the benefits of silk, and I find that really interesting because my partner Josh really struggles with allergies and hay fever and dust, and he doesn't actually sleep with silk pillowcase, but I know that I have 2 silk pillowcases in here, so I'm actually going to put one on his side of the bed tonight and I'm going to see does that make a difference. I'm actually intrigued. I'll let you guys know. And it also helps your skin retain moisture, just another wee fun fact for you there. So guys, I have a number of things in these little packages, all of course silk, because Lilysilk does a wide range of things. I thought it only did silk pillowcases like bedding, but it also does hair care, it also does clothing, it does a wide range of things, and everything I feel like is super affordable to say that the silk is so premium. I'm gonna unbox 3 of these boxes tonight, and one of them is going to be left to tomorrow. It's gonna be a little secret one that I'm going to unbox with you later in the video. Just an FYI, so it is actually, it's 8 minutes past 8 on a Tuesday evening and I have the most perfect evening planned. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna record this little hair tutorial for you guys now. Then at 9:15, I'm gonna go to the couch, I'm gonna have a cup of tea, I'm gonna have some chocolate digestives, and I'm gonna put on Dairy Girls because the new season started a few weeks ago and I'm absolutely obsessed. I love it. If you haven't seen it, you need to check it out. It's literally like the female version of the In-Betweeners. You need to watch it. It's so good. I'm gonna have my hair all prepped after this YouTube video. I'm going to wake up tomorrow. I'm gonna take my hair out. I'm gonna unbox that little secret package for you guys. I'm gonna show you what's in there. So guys, this is the first package that I am going to open up. I really appreciate this. I am one of these people that at Christmas, I spend about 30 minutes wrapping each present and putting loads of ribbons and bows in it. I love it. This is how it looks once you take the little box off. I'm sure you will have guessed one of the things in these packages from the title of this video, but of course I'm going to be doing some heatless curls. So this is one of the things that I got from Lilysilk, which is a hairband for heatless curls, and I'm actually straight away impressed. Whenever I've been watching these on TikTok and Instagram and other YouTube videos, they always look quite short, and I was a little bit worried because I've got quite long hair, but that goes literally to the length of my hair. And look how cute this is. There's little pearls on the end. Adorable. A really nice touch. And you get little silk scrunchies, which helps you tie it at the end. I'm super excited to do this because this is actually my first time ever doing heatless curls. I have never ever done heatless curls before, and I'm really intrigued to see what it's going to be like on my hair because I have quite frizzy hair and it's quite wavy and curly, so heatless things don't always work that well on my hair, so I'm super intrigued to see how well my hair curls with this. I did actually wash my hair this morning, and all I did was I just blasted it with the hairdryer and smoothed it out a little bit. I know that a lot of people do it from their hair being wet, but I personally hate sleeping with wet hair. I just don't enjoy it, so I wasn't willing to do it from it wet. But what I am going to do is I've got lots of product here to pre-style it with, which I think will really help the curls set in my hair.
The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to touch my hair, spray some moisture mist on my hair.
This will also just help it set a little bit better, and this is also just going to dampen it a little bit.
I'm also going to put a drop of oil in my hair.
So I'm mainly just going to put the oil in the ends of my hair.
I'm just going to give it a quick brush.
I am going to place this in the center of my hair, just halfway back. I'm gonna use this grip to try and help it stay in place. Ideally, I need one that's a little bit smaller and sucks a bit more into my hair, but this is all I have right now, so I'm just gonna have to work with what I got. Oh my god, I look hilarious right now. I look like a spider or something. Okay, so let's go. There we go. That was actually pretty simple. I think what I'm gonna do now is just tie these at the back, get those out of the way. Is it done? That literally takes no time at all. Like, if this turns out well, I'm gonna be doing this like every single night. So guys, I'm just gonna unbox my little pillowcases with you now. I went for the white pillowcases because I just knew that that would go with any of my bedding. White is always a really good option. And guys, honestly, like, I wish you could feel these through the screen. Like, they just feel so premium. Lilysilk actually produced their silk from natural fibers and not synthetic. And guys, you can just really tell, like, this feels really premium. It is absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to iron these and give them a little spritz with my sleep spray and just have the best night's sleep ever. I'm very, very excited about that. I'm probably gonna do a little transition now, and it will be morning. It's actually getting dark outside now, which means that it's almost time for daylight, girls. I can't wait to go watch it. So I am gonna sleep in this little bad boy, and in the morning I'm gonna take it out and you can see how it turned out. So all my fellow frizzy head gals, you will be able to see how this actually looks. I'm gonna go take my comfies off and I'm gonna go put my pajamas on. I'm gonna get on that sofa, I'm gonna get a cup of tea, some digestives, and I'm gonna indulge in dairy girls, and I will see you in the morning. Sweet dreams. Morning guys. So I obviously spent the night sleeping in my little headband. Thought I'd just quickly show you my beautifully ironed pillowcase. I ironed it last night and slept on it, and I didn't actually even get that creased. I expected it to be so much more creased after sleeping in it. But it was absolutely glorious to sleep on. I can confirm it just felt so luxurious. I put one on Josh's side as well, and he absolutely loved it. Guys, I can confirm that it was actually really not bad to sleep in at all. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of had to spend most of the night lying on my back because whenever I laid on my side, it felt a little bit funny. It didn't hurt or anything. I was just aware that there was like something like on my head, so I spent most of the night sleeping on my back or like on my face. Still got my pajamas on here, but I did manage to put on a little bit of makeup for you guys. Now I'm just going to take this out. I'm just really excited to see how this turns out, so let's go. This is what I see the TikTokers and the Instagrammers doing. They just pull it out like this. Oh wow. Oh okay. Look at oh my goodness, guys, it's like proper curls. I just really didn't expect that. Wow. And guys, hey guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little bit of oil in my hands and rub it in and just pull these curls out a little bit. And I'm gonna give it a little brush. So, wowza. Normally I spend like about 30-40 minutes trying to get this look with the hairdryer or with hair straighteners. And all I did was literally spend like 2 minutes wrapping my hair around a silk band, sleeping in it, and that's it. Like I'm honestly, I am so impressed, and I'm so impressed that like there's not really any frizz on my hair. So ladies, if you are a fellow frizzy haired girl with curly wavy hair, these are my top tips for doing heatless curls. So the first thing is, I would definitely, rather than doing it from wet, I would do it from dry, but it being freshly washed on that day. So whenever you're blow drying your hair, just smooth it out with a hairbrush as you're blow drying it rather than just blasting it. My second tip is definitely use some pre-styling products. So I used some Lee Stafford Coco Loco coconut moisture mist, which just helped add some moisture into my hair, along with using some Giju hair oil, which again added some moisture in, and along with those two things, it just would have helped my hair mold around the silk band to add curls. And my third tip is to get a Lilysilk headband to use this. So I know that a lot of people use the trick, they might either use like a really long sock, or they might use the tie from their dressing gown, and my advice would be to definitely get a silk one, because again I think that's just really helped maintain my frizz. I think if I had to use something cotton, these curls would be a lot more frizzier, and they're not, they're pretty silky smooth. Fourth tip is to try and keep the band in for as long as possible. Either you sleep in it or you maybe put it in the morning and keep it in during the day. I think the longer that you leave it in, the better your curls will be, and I imagine the longer they will last. And my fifth and final tip is, if you are sleeping in your curls, to get a beautiful silk pillowcase, and obviously Lilysilk do beautiful premium pillowcases, because that again is just going to help maintain your frizz. Again, I think if I had been sleeping on a cotton pillowcase last night, this hair would be seriously frizzy right now, but obviously silk helps reduce frizz, and it also helps with breakage. So again, the silk pillowcase is just going to help with that. So guys, for the final part of this video, I am going to unbox that little Lilysilk box sat all neatly behind me, and I'm going to show you guys what is on that. Then I'm going to get ready and go out for some lunch. All of the Lilysilk products that I have mentioned in this video will be linked in my description, so you can go check them out and have a little shop. If you have any questions, please comment below. So let's go open the final box.